back out, having another crack, give it myself this time, down at Slab up the creek again, just having a bit of a play. The river's nice and low, it's good. So I'm just on the bends that just comes around this corner, and this is all bedrock here. And I'm just going to dig in this hole here. Someone's already started. I'm just going to see how deep it'll go before I hit the bottom. So I'll just have a crack in there, see if there's anything in it. Me and Jade were way down just around that corner last time. So there's someone actually there, so we can't really go there. So yeah, so I'll just have another crack here, and yeah. Hopefully my Christmases will come at once and I'll get something. Alright, I'll be back shortly. I only got a classifier and a pan this time, and my shovel. So we'll see how we go. Alright, I'll be back shortly. Just did a wee pan, just a quick pan. It's only been like 5 minutes. And I just got that little bit there. He's not too bad. That bit, there's a little bit just there, and a little bit just there. So 3 little bits, and really microfines this tiny little bit just there and there. There's quite a few little fines actually, there's some over here too. So there's a few little bits in there. That's just classifying it down real quick. Maybe did, I don't know, 7 shovels into the bucket quickly just to see if there's anything here. So I'll do another lot. I'll go down a little bit further and see what I get and come back to you in a minute. Alrighty, back soon. Yeah, back again. Got another few out of there. There's another, I don't know, could have been about that much in the bottom of the, a little bit on the bottom of the box, bottom of the bucket, and pulled those 3 little bits out. So they're not too bad. 3 little bit bigger bits. Not huge, but alright. So yeah, so keep going. See how we go. Let's go down as far as I can into that hole. It's up against the ledge. Like you see, it's all bedrock there. And there's a ledge that goes straight down like that, right beside it. So you can't really see it at the moment, it's still dirty, but it basically comes just out off there and then just goes straight down. So I'll just see if I can go right down that and see how far I can go. Alrighty, I'll be back in a minute. Back again, go down a wee bit deeper. Yeah, it's about the same amount, about that much in the bottom of the bucket. And it's pretty consistent. Let's get all those little bits. There's 3 bits there and another bit over there. They're only small, but they're pretty consistent. And there's another wee bit there too, it's about 5 bits. So that's not too bad. So I'll just keep going down. Just shoot down, I haven't hit the bottom yet, so let's see what comes of it. And then yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll try in a different spot, but I'll just see if I can get down to the bottom of that ledge and see what's at the bottom of that. Alrighty, back soon. I'm not sure if you can see down that hole. Probably, you can just see there, so the ledge goes straight down there. But I might have hit the bottom. But I just did another pan, and it's got that one, that one, that one, and 2 little bits just there. So there's only 4 in that, and I probably did, I don't know, about that much in the bottom of the bucket. So yeah, I might get down at the bottom. I might just scrape it out and just see what happens. But yeah, I'll come back to you in a minute. Alrighty, that's soon. Back again. Well, I'm definitely not at the bottom of the hole. I I just did enough to you know, just a little tiny bit on the bottom of the bucket, just to fill the pan, just to have a look. Sort of, it's still going down the side of it, and just threw up this. So that's a better bit, and a couple of little tiny fly poops just beside it. So yeah, that's not a bad wee bit. So yeah, I might persevere on the hole a bit more. So I'll just keep following it down and see what I get. Alright, back in a minute. Alright, just did another pan, enough to do a pan, and got those bits. So 3 little bits, and that's a reasonable sized garnet, a red garnet. So that's pretty cool. So I'll keep going down and yeah, see what I get. I'm down, I don't know, about up to my knees, I suppose, a bit over my knees, just in the middle of my thighs, I suppose. About a, I don't know, metre and a bit down. So yeah, I'll keep going down and see what I get. Alrighty, back in a minute. Sorry, forgot to say how much I got for the day. Well, that was, I don't know, that's all I got, which is just a bit of garnet and quite a few little specks there, and then, yeah, those bits there. It's not too bad, considering it's only, I don't know, what's the time now? 6 o'clock. So there's, I don't know, a couple of hours work, I suppose. And I'm only panning, so can't expect too much. But yeah, anyway, that's all good. Gold in the pan. Alrighty. See you tomorrow. Everyone. Next day, and as you can see, the river's right up. Pretty much rained all night. And the river's come right up. A bit of a pain. That's where that guy was. He's right up to his neck, and the big hole just there, right in that area there. Yeah, the old river's come right up. There aren't too many places to go. Really? I might not be doing anything today. Might go for a walk. Even though it is a nice day, it's turned out quite nice. But, yeah, anyway. We'll see how we go. Spot you on the next one.